The Hanna Instruments HI781 Marine Nitrate Checker is the newest addition to the Hanna Marine Checker line. This kit has been carefully designed to ensure accurate measurement of nitrates in aquariums and marine biology applications. The HI781 kit is ready to use and comes with everything you need to begin testing right out of the box. In the following video, we will walk you through the entire procedure to test your low-range nitrate levels. For higher range measurements, 5 to 50 ppm, follow the instructions for the dilution measurement procedure. Hanna Instruments provides you with quality tools that give you accurate and reliable results. Before you begin measuring, it is important to first insert the HI74028 filter disc into the HI74027 filter holder. To do this, unscrew the two halves of the reusable filter holder and carefully place one filter disc on the lower piece. The lower piece of the assembly is the side without the threaded tip. Ensure the disc is on top of the clear, colorless gasket in the holder and that it is not overlapping the edges. Carefully screw the top piece back on and the filter will be ready to use later on in the process. Using the 5 ml syringe, add exactly 4 ml of HI781A-0 reagent. Now, take a packet of HI781B-0 reagent and carefully open it along the dotted line using a pair of scissors. Be sure to empty all the contents of the packet reagent into the large mixing vial. When finished, replace the cap and shake vigorously for 1 minute. After that, you need to remove the contents from the vial. To do this, screw the covered HI74027 16-gauge blunt needle onto the tip of your 10 ml syringe. Remove the plastic cover from the needle and draw up the contents in your vial. Now, place the plastic cover back over the needle and unscrew it from the syringe. Now it's time to use your filter. To use the filter, attach the assembly onto your 10 ml syringe using the threaded connection. Place the tip over your clean cuvette and push the plunger slowly until the cuvette has been filled to the 10 ml mark. Replace the cap and wipe the cuvette with a microfiber cloth to remove any smudges from the glass. Place the cuvette into the checker, close the lid, and press the button. Be sure to wait until C2 is shown on the screen to remove the cuvette. Now that the checker is zeroed, remove the cuvette and unscrew the cap. Next, take a packet of HI781C-0 reagent and carefully open it along the dotted line using a pair of scissors. Empty the reagent into the cuvette. Replace the cap and shake vigorously for 2 minutes. When finished, clean the cuvette again with a microfiber cloth and place it into the checker. Close the lid and push and hold the button to initiate the 8-minute timer. After 8 minutes, the checker will display the concentration of nitrate in ppm. We hope you have found this video helpful. For more information on our marine line of checkers, visit us on our website.